Alright guys, going to run this bird for Patel. 10 spots, 15 per spot. Copy our list. We're going to be live at 6:27. Row 2 dice, must be a 5 or higher. And we've got a 7 on the dice. It's now 6:28. Starting at 6:28, going 7 times. Good luck. Terry D after 1. Moose after 2. Moose after 3. Terry D after 4. James after 5. Terry D on top after 6. Caleb on the bottom. Dice is a 7. 6:28:29. 7th and final. Good luck. Moose. Congratulations, Moose. The moose is loose and he's hot tonight. Congratulations. We are done. 6:28.